Hello millennial students! Welcome to school year 2021-22. I know you're very ready and engaged in our new lesson for the school year 2021-22. Okay, now, if you're ready, please be ready with your pens and notes for our new lesson for the English 10. So, for our quarter 1, module 1 in week 1, our lesson talks about the information gathering through listening for everyday life usage. By the way, class, my name is Mrs. Claricel Diaz Ismael, an English teacher of English Department. Class, our objective for today are: number 1, note or get informations for specific details or information by listening to informative talks, news reports, speeches, and panel discussions. Number 2, identify effective listening approaches. So let's proceed, class. So what are the ways and significance of information gathering? So we have here, class, Tay 2020 identifies some of the informational listening approaches. So these are the informational approaches. So we have the info listening. So when we talk about info listening, it makes sure you receive the same thoughts which speakers are trying to convey. Next, we have letter B, don't judge or argue prematurely. It means try to understand the speaker's ideas before judging them. Next, letter C, look for key ideas. So, class, you have to listen carefully to the speaker to find out the main ideas that he or she is trying to convey. Next, we have, class, the last one, which is the paraphrases. So, when you talk about paraphrases, you have to reinstate in your own words the message of the speaker. In other words, repeating the speaker's words as he or she says them will strengthen his or her message and help you to stay attentively. We now proceed. Okay, so let's go now. Let's proceed now. So according to Gonzalez of 2020 class, he also added that informational listening helps us learn, become keener, and become better at what we do in life. So, consequently, it is clear that improving skills that develop our informational listening ability is advantageous to our lives. Other skills that help with information listening are: number 1, we have knowledge of vocabulary. So we have to make more words we know, the more we can understand, therefore increasing mastery of vocabulary through techniques like learning a new word a day or reading books can contribute in being a good informational listening. Then we have number 2, concentration. We must know that in order to concentrate, class, we need to be more motivated to focus, stay disciplined in the face of distractions, actively and mentally say to distractions, and accept responsibilities in getting the task at hand accomplished. Informational listening, class, requires immense concentration. Okay, did you understand, class? Okay, very good. Very good, class. Okay, let's proceed to the next one, which is memory. Memory, class, means with good memory, we can recall experiences and information from our lives to help make sense of information in informational listening. Then we have, class, refraining from judgment. So this skill, class, requires an open mind. If we begin judging and jumping to conclusion when attempting to properly listen and retain information, our mind will wander and possibly, class, will miss valuable pieces of information. Then we have, class, the organization. Organization, class, means this is to identify key concepts from auditory information and mentality, organizing them into outlines so that you can better understand and remember material. Then we have, class, asking questions. So if listening to a panel discussion, asking mental questions to further grasp the information as the speaker are talking can mean that the listener is truly comprehending the information that is being said. Then we have the last one, the taking of notes. This is a common skill that enhances informational listening in school class because every time we are taking notes, isn't it, class? One valuable tip in taking notes is to only write down key concepts and terms instead of trying to write down everything that is being said. That's it for today, class. You may answer all the task activities in our module for quarter 1, week 1,